So we are busy repairing those things, then we'll be back in full fodder production there. All the material has been supplied, it's on site, and we are just a bit afraid of starting repairs there now, because that river is very unpredictable. When it rains 150 kilometers from here, you will be in the river and 5 minutes later you'll just see the water coming. Doesn't necessarily need to rain right here. The river just floods. So we are waiting for this rainy season to finish. So I think end of March we'll start the repairs on that pipeline. And then I don't know what else I can say. I can add, we have around 35 to 45 employees. 90% from them is from the local communities, and then we have some few people that's from outside that knows a bit about farming and so on. Another big challenge is our local people from our community. So we also do a lot of training to teach people on the different skills that is needed to be a successful farmer. One more thing that is also included as part of these two projects is that we have 6 outside farmers that we also support in plowing, sometimes spraying, plowing, preparing their fields, and helping them when they have pests and diseases, and we also support them with seeds from time to time.